Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of first secondary, we are going to solve a lot of problems on Unit 2 Quantitative Chemistry Mole. Question number 1. What mass of sodium contains the same number of moles as 12 gram of copper? Okay, we want to make a comparison between two elements, sodium and copper. Give your answer to two decimal places. We have here the atomic mass of sodium 23 gram per mole and the atomic mass of copper 63.5 gram per mole. Okay, we want to know the steps of each one. We will start. We have here our rule, number of moles equal mass over molar mass. Okay, we want to know, or we have given that mass of copper 12 gram and molar mass of it 63.5 gram per mole. So here we have number of moles equal mass of over oral mass or divided molar mass. We have here the mass of copper 12 divided molar mass of copper. Its atomic mass means 63.5 as it has only one atom. We must divide them. We can get 0.188 mole. Okay, and after that, if we want to compare copper with sodium, we didn't have the mass of sodium, or we want to get it mass of sodium, we're getting by the same number of moles from copper. So we get the number of moles that we have reached, number of moles times molar mass of sodium. So the result will be number of moles 0.188 times 23, the molar mass of sodium, will give 4.35 gram. So the right answer of our question will be 4.35 gram. This is the first question. You must follow the steps to solve this one. Question number 2. What is the mass of 0.443 mole of hydrazine? Hydrazine is simple and 2H4. Give your answer to one decimal place. We have here hydrogen 1 gram per mole and nitrogen 14 gram per mole. Okay, let's follow the steps. We have the rule number of moles equal mass over molar mass. Here we have number of moles of hydrazine of NH2H4, N2H4 equal 0.443 mole. And molar mass of it, we will take 2 times the atomic mass of nitrogen and 4 times the atomic mass of hydrogen. So we have 2 times 14 plus 4 times 1 equal 32 gram per mole. And the mass of hydrazine here equal number of moles times molar mass of it. We have number of moles 0.443 times its molar mass that we have reached 32. Okay, it will give equal 14.176 gram. So the right answer of our question number 2, 14.2 by approximation, 14.2 gram. Another question here. How many moles of atoms are there of 12 gram of carbon 12? We said before in our illustration that we have carbon 12 as a element for comparison to giving the one atomic mass unit. So if we have the rule number of moles equal mass over molar mass, if we have molar mass of carbon equal 12, we said carbon 12 is isotopes and its molar mass 12 gram per mole and its mass 12 gram. So number of moles mass divided molar mass 12 divided 12 will give 1 mole. So the answer of our question will be 1. We have here 1 mole. Question number 4. What is the mass of 2.552 times 10 power negative 3 mole of ammonium sulfate? Ammonium sulfate is symbol NH4 by 2 SO4. Give your answer in grams and 3 decimal places. We have here hydrogen, its atomic mass 1 gram per mole, nitrogen 14 gram per mole, oxygen 16 gram per mole, and sulfur 32 gram per mole. Okay, let's discuss. The first law we have here, number of moles equal mass over molar mass. So we want mass equal number of moles times molar mass. Molar mass of hydrazine, we have its chemical formula NH4 by 2 SO4 equal, we have 2N plus, we have here 2 times 4, here we have 8 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. So here we have the molar mass of it will be 123. And we have its number of moles here. So the mass equal 2.52 times 10 power negative 3 times 123. So it will give the mass of it 0.3009 gram. So the right answer of our question, approximating to the numbers that we have calculating, we have 0.333 gram. Okay, so the right answer will be number D. In some questions we didn't have exactly the same numbers that we have given or that we have resulted at the end by calculation. We can get the approximate number here from the choices. Question number 5. Which isotopes is used as a reference in the definition of a mole? Okay, I said before that we have taken carbon atom. Carbon atom, its isotopes stables that we have taken as it consists inside the nucleus. We have 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So we have here neutralization, and around the nucleus we have 6 electrons. So we use carbon 12 as a comparison and also another element, but we use its isotopes only as a reference in a definition of mole, as we have taken it in the definition of a mole. Question number 6. The mass of substance M, its relative formula mass or molar mass here, and the number of moles present N small, can be calculated by single formula. What it is, or what is that formula? Okay, we want to know the number of moles here equal mass over molar mass or relative formula mass. We have a new names for our quantitative chemistry. We must know its new names. Question number 7. How many moles of oxygen atoms are there in 3.62 times 10 power 25 molecules of sulfur dioxide, SO2? Okay, let's discuss. The first one here, we have 1 mole of sulfur dioxide contain any 1 mole of any substance contains 6.2 times 10 power 23. It's Avogadro's number. So what is the number of moles here that give 3.62 times 10 power 25, as we discussed in our number of moles equal, we will make cross multiplication 1 times 3.62 times 10 power 25 over or divided 6.02 times 10 power 23. Okay, the result will be 60.12 mole or 60.12 mole. So here we have inside 1 molecule of sulfur dioxide, we have 2 atoms of oxygen inside it. So we will make multiplication for the result of number of moles. 2 times 60, it will give 120 mole. So the answer of our question here for question number 7 will be 120 moles. Question number 8. Sulfuric acid has a relative formula mass of 98 gram per mole. What is the mass of 2.5 mole of sulfuric acid? Okay, we will starting by our rule, number of moles equal mass over molar mass. So mass here, we want to calculate mass, so we will make times number of moles times molar mass. It will give 2.5 times 98, so the answer will be 245. So the right answer of our question here will be 245 gram. Okay, the last question of our group here. How many oxygen atoms are there in 5 times 10 power negative 3 moles of aluminium nitrate? Its molecular formula AlNO3 by 3. Give your answer to one decimal place. Okay, let's discuss. We will starting by 1 mole of any substance containing 6.02 times 10 power 23. It's according to our rules. We have here number of moles 5 times 10 power negative 3 mole. What we want to get? What is the number of molecules that we give? Number of atoms or molecules here we will make cross multiplication 5 times 10 power negative 3 times 6.02 times 10 power 23 divided 1. Okay, the result will be 3.01 times 10 power 21. Okay, number of atoms here, of atoms of oxygen here, we wanted to get it at the end. We have given 3.01 times 10 power 21 time number of oxygen atoms here inside our compound. We have 3 times 3. Okay, here oxygen, we have 9 atoms. Okay, the result will be 2.7 times 10 power 22 atoms. Okay, we calculate here the number of atoms of oxygen inside this compound. Okay, the answer will be here of our question number 9, 2.7 times 10 power 22 atoms. You must to solve a lot of problems to make sure that you have understand every point inside our quantity. Okay, thank you for joining. We have a lot of problems or questions. Please don't forget to join us.